ladies and gentlemen. Witnessing this, we see here Pak Bob, Pak Sidak, Bu Megan, Pak Yosef, Mbak Bella, Mas Senko, Pak Ariel, and Pak Peter. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning for those in Indonesia and good evening for those in the us. Since I am requesting the event and I will audit of formal of outfit, but the background is the well in my hotel. So it's I will mention between formal and informal. I would like to begin my speech with a pantun just like by yourself in the land of beauty and these people styles we gather to explore Indonesian travels. Welcome to this conference and scholarly feed, where we discuss promise and the dilemmas we meet. On behalf of the chairman of the National Research and Innovation Agency, Badan Riset dan Inovasi Nasional, Bapak Laksana Trihandoko, it is my great honor and privilege to stand before you today to welcome you to the 5th annual conference on Indonesia student with the theme, the promise and dilemmas of Indonesia, assume that exemplifies the multi-talent nature of our ancient journey. On behalf of BRIN, again I extend and I want welcome to all Federal University, each institution and agency include some participants I see here from BRIN. This conference serves as a platform for us to come together and delve into the of Indonesian promise and challenge spread by our nation. As we navigate the complex landscape of trade of the Indonesia has developed of more than 70,000 is more than 700 local language. More than 100 local values is a nation teeming with a rich cultural diversity, a deep history, and a different range of region. We also recognize that our beloved country face multi-talent dilemmas that demand of utmost attention, collaboration, and innovation.
Indonesia's successes. Therefore, we are hoping that during the conference you can reflect upon Indonesia's success, this context, and ongoing effort to navigate the complexities of civic, legal, and cultural living. We must also address the backdrop of internal fractures and frictions, as well as the significant global and regional profile and positionality that Indonesia holds. Reflecting on Indonesia's successes, we cannot help but marvel at the tremendous progress of our nation has made over the years. From our democratic transition to a robust economic growth, Indonesia has emerged as a vibrant and resilient nation. We have witnessed an advancement in various sectors including education, healthcare, infrastructure, and technology. If we see the development of our country in the last 20 years and compare it with neighboring countries, we can only proud of ourselves. Despite some sporadic discrimination and social disconnect, our cultural diversity has become a source of fostering social cohesion and unity amidst our difference.
Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to share here a few remarks on the development of brain and our efforts to strengthen the ecosystem of research and innovation in the country. During the first 2 years since its establishment on 28 April 2021, BRIN has successfully completed the integration of human research from our research agents include BPPT, BATAN, LAPAN, and MIPI, and then the Ministry of Research and Technology, and more than 40 research units in various ministries and other government institutions into one umbrella. Within 2 years, this agency has completed its structure, which consists of 7 deputies and 12 institutes of research organization. It has also introduced various types of research, including some mechanisms from research mobility, group research in infrastructure, and non-research mechanics and technology. We have developed non-sphere technology for medical and industry workers in Pasar Jumat that can be used by Indonesian hospital. We have both mungkin for carbon and fossil dating, and no need to send our specimen to Australia or New Zealand. We have also new technology for genome sequencing based cause billions. Now we have our garden by the in Cibinong, here is Indonesia University.
Politics. One thing that divides public extension is that our politics was dominant in our work in line, our stage, and in research, for instance, by the appointment of Megawati Soekarnoputri, the chairman of Indonesian Democratic Party of Struggle as the head of the supervisor body of agency. And although the involvement of a certain party was widely assigned work in further the direction of research policy in fact, it's not interfere the development of street brain does not have political color. We are not red, yellow, green, blue, only or any other colors. We are red and white representing the color of our national flag. Even we do not have future to fight politics. I would like to underline that blind is not an extension of any mass organization, of political parties and certain oligarchs. We are working only for the development of science and innovation. Hopefully, we can still move forward next year after 2024 election. Ladies and gentlemen, as we examine Indonesia's success, we must also confront on disconnects and the challenge that persist. Our journey forward progress is not without hurdle. We grab all these economic inequality, social extraction, environmental degradation, and political complexion. We acknowledge the need to address these dilemmas that one on to ensure the promise of open and inclusive Indonesia are realized by all. In this context, Indonesia has been in a continuous process of revoking, recalculating, and negotiating various aspects of civic, legal, and culturalism. We have sought to strike the right balance between tradition and modernity, between local and global influence, between harmony and religious freedom, and between democracy and economic development. Our dynamic society embraces change, will, and economy honoring our rich, healthy, and tradition. This ongoing negotiation allows us to navigate the complexities of our national identity, fostering a sense of distinction serves as a member of the different perspectives and interests that stand our nation. Recognize the importance of open dialogues, countries debate, and collaboration efforts to address this internal challenge by acknowledging our difference and engaging in respectful discourse. We can build a more inclusive society that harnesses the strength of our diversity. As we reflect on Indonesia's internal dynamic, we also recognize our improvement profile and personality in the global and Asia-Pacific region. Our vast archipelago and strategic geographical location make us a key player in regional and global affairs. Our partnership, collaboration, and engagement with neighboring countries and international community are crucial in addressing.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are gathered here not only to highlight the promise that connects and dilemmas, but also to foster a spirit of exploration, dialogue, and partnership. The world is overwhelming and the hyper-segmentation, and as we navigate the web of globalization and technological advancement, it becomes increasingly essential for us to proactively tackle the challenge that lie ahead by gathering brilliant minds and fostering collaboration between academia and government. We are to Indonesia on the path of sustainable development, progress, and prosperity. Throughout this conference, the organizer has curated an exceptional lineup of assessment speakers and experts who will shed light on various aspects of Indonesia's promise and business.
As we can see from the program, the organizers have meticulously designed a series of keynote address, panel discussion, and workshops that will delve into critical themes such as kebangsaan in its diverse and competing meanings and that involve gender and race, environment and climate change, business, politics, and religion, and Indonesia. Like in the world, we will draw upon the wisdom and insight of scholars and as experts who have dedicated their lives to the study of Indonesia. We will explore the intricate story of this nation, unraveling its complexities and indicating pathways to a more inclusive, sustainable, and prosperous.
Once again, I extend my warmest welcome to all those present, listening, and well-sought. Thank you, and let's the conference begin with the meaning of the operator school with your name. Let's begin with Bismillah. Thank you very much.